So, you are relatively poor, while other people seem to be incredibly rich. But getting rich seems like a mysteriously complicated feat, right? Maybe win the lottery someday? Become a movie star? Or maybe end up in the right place at the right time and get that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Otherwise, you're just good at being poor. Hey, here's the thing. Becoming rich is very similar to becoming poor. See, the way you get poor is like this. You work hard and buy things that take money out of your pocket. These are what Richie Pants financial people call liabilities. And if you keep acquiring these liabilities, eventually you will be poor. Guaranteed. Now, becoming rich is pretty similar. You still work hard, you still buy things, except you buy things that put money in your pocket. Things like real estate, businesses, stock, things called assets. And assets generate money for you even when you're not working, which grows exponentially with the more assets you buy. And if you keep buying these assets, soon you will be rich.